by less than aggressive journalism, Mr. Trump has made sure his financial history would be sensationalized far more than seen. David?
Yeah, I think, I think that one of the revelations to us in doing this story is that, this is a guy who has really, he's been famous and been so heavily covered for so many decades. And yet I can tell you that you can search high and low through all the books, all the cover stories, all the TV interviews, and I can promise you, you will never see any reference to All County Building Supply and Maintenance, which is one of the companies that we described here that they used to evade taxes. And it's a reminder of how little we actually know about the financial history of Donald J. Trump. We have, I think, and I hope, have pulled back many, many new layers of this, but I think there's still a heck of a lot of work left in front of us.
If they'd like.
All right, David Barstow, congratulations on an extraordinary piece of reporting. I'd say go get a beer, but that doesn't sound as good as it did a week ago. Thank you for hopping on the phone with us. Matt Miller, thank you for spending some time with us. After the break, did Donald Trump just draw a line in the sand?